So, how do we diagnose lung cancer? Hi, I am Dr. Jitesh thoracic surgeon and oncologist, and today I'll walk you through the lung cancer surgery options, what they mean, and how we approach them. So, diagnosis begins with a detailed history about the symptoms. Once we have taken the history, we further evaluate it with the various tests. The first one could be a chest X-ray or a CT scan to find any abnormality in the lung. Secondly, we do a PET scan to stage the disease and to see whether how much it has spread in the body. Third one is a bronchoscopy. Using a small tiny camera, we insert a scope inside the lung, and if there is any abnormality, we take a biopsy. Fourthly, we do a biopsy using a CT scan or a bronchoscope to type the disease. Finally, we do a molecular testing, which is the latest advances, in which we find out which gene mutations are there in the following lung cancer, and accordingly we tailor the treatment. So we do not guess anymore. We test, confirm, and tailor the treatment as per the stage of the disease and the type of the disease. So how do we treat lung cancer? So treatment depends upon the stage of the disease. Let's break it down. Stage 1 and stage 2 are locally advanced tumor. The best treatment here would be surgery. Using a VATS or a robotic surgery, we may perform a lobectomy or a pneumectomy depending upon the size of the tumor. So though VATS surgery or robotic surgery leads to a faster recovery and a faster healing. This may sometimes be followed by a chemotherapy. Stage 3 is considered as locally advanced tumors. Here the treatment options are chemoradiation or a neoadjuvant chemotherapy. In some cases, it may be followed by surgery. Immunotherapy, which is the latest treatment options available, may help in preventing recurrence. So lastly, the stage 4. Here the disease has already spread to the other organs. The focus here is improving the quality of life. The options are targeted therapy, immunotherapy, or chemotherapy. In earlier days, we would perform pneumonectomy, that is removing the entire lung. Nowadays, we prioritize on lung preserving or lung sparing surgery. Here we perform the surgeries only to remove the tumor, which may be using a wedge resection or a segmentectomy or a lobectomy. The idea is to preserve the lung as much as possible so that we can improve the quality of life. So let's bust some common myths. So first one, the myth: the lung canceries are often very painful and risky. In reality, with VATS or robotic surgery, it is safer, less painful, and leads to a faster recovery. Second one, the myth: if you have removed a part of the lung, I won't be able to breathe properly. In reality, your lung adapts. We usually perform a pulmonary function test to assess if the lung would be able to breathe, if the patient would be able to breathe properly after we have removed a part of the lung or the entire lung. With rehab, most of the patients will resume normal activity soon. So how is the recovery after the treatment? After VATS or robotic surgery, most of the patients would be able to walk immediately next day and usually get discharged in 3 to 5 days. Most of them resume their regular activities in 3 to 4 weeks. Of course, there could be side effects, bleeding, infection, or air leaks, but these are usually rare and manageable. Our goal is not just to remove the tumor, but to help them breathe better and live well. So what can you do to prevent lung cancer? So lung cancer is largely preventable. Here's what you can do. First, never to start smoking. If you have started, quit. It's never too late. Secondly, avoid secondhand smoke. Avoid places where people are smoking. Thirdly, use air purifier in polluted cities. Get yourself screened if you have smoked and above 50. Have a healthy diet which is more in antioxidants. Exercise regularly, it keeps your lungs healthy. So we had an interesting case. A 55-year-old female who was a non-smoker came to us with chronic cough. We found a small tumor which was an early stage. She had undergone a robotic lobectomy. She walked the next day and she was home on the 4th day. 3 months later, she ran a 10-kilometer marathon. That's what early detection and a modern surgery can do. Lung cancer does not always shout. Sometimes it whispers. Don't ignore the symptoms. Ask questions. If you or someone close to you is worried, get tested. At SSO Hospital, we offer cutting-edge care with compassion and precision. Your lungs are your life. Let's take care of them together.